Hello everyone, welcome back to the MySQL tutorial. In this session, I'm going to explain various select statements, which is part of the data query language. So let's see, the next query is select statement with where clause, right? So I want to retrieve the active employees. How do we know the employees are active or inactive? So for that, we have a column called is active in the table employee. So in this table, the column name is active, which is a Boolean data type value, which consists of either true or false. If you make is active is equal to true, we can retrieve all active employees. So what is the query here? We are retrieving the select ID, first name, last name, salary from the table employees, where my condition is active equal to true. True indicates 1 and false indicates 0. So let me try to execute this query. First I will show you what is the records are there in the particular table employees. Select store from employees. So you can find here we have the column called is active, right? So what is our query? We want to retrieve the active employees. Active employees means those who are the value 1. 1 indicates true. So how many records are there here? Active employees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So I need to retrieve those 8 employees who are active. So what is my query? I want to retrieve select followed by ID. The next column is first name. See here I am using the same column names, ID, first name, last name and salary. If you want you can retrieve is active also. Right now I don't want that. From what is the table name? Employees. What is the condition? Where is active is equal to true. Is active equal to true. Yes, here is the output. So overall, see how many records we have, the active records? 8. So we retrieved 8 records who are all active. So let's see the next query. Here we want to retrieve the employees who joined after 2020. So the employees who joined after 2020. That means we have a date of joining a column. How can we check this condition? Based on the date of joining. So the date of joining, the date is, generally 2020 means we have to consider about Jan 1st, right? So that we have to think internally. We have to understand, okay, the date of joining should be greater than Jan 1st, 2020. So let's see here. The example is select ID, name, first name, last name, date of joining, and from the employees table where the joining date should be greater than 2020 year and Jan 1st onwards. Let me try with this query. So you can observe the employees date of joining column. We have date of joining date, joining underscore date, 2020 above, right? So you can see who are all there 2020 above. We can retrieve it. So let me try here. We are writing the query select ID, first name, last name. What is the column name? Join date. From the table name is employees. What is the where condition? Join date. That column name is join date. You have to ensure the column name as it is, okay? Join date should be greater than, the date should be in the single quotes. 2020 01 01. See here how many records we have? 4 rows. The employees who joined after 2020, Jan 2020. So this is at 9th month, right? So likewise we can retrieve the employees who joined after 2020. And next we'll see the next query. Move to the next query. So in this where class, I'm going to use AND condition. What is this example here? We want to retrieve the employees who are active and having salary above 50,000. That means employee should be active and the salary should be above 50,000. So how can we write? See here the condition is where the column name is active true and the salary also should be above 50,000. So let me run this. I want to write the query. What is that? Select ID, comma, first name, last name, salary from the table name is employees. My condition is active is equal to true and salary is greater than 50,000. That is the query. Let's see what are the records we got. And also to cross verify it, and we can check this actual table. Yeah, now you can see. So Alice, so after retrieving the records, you should check it whether this record belongs to satisfying this condition or not. So here the Alice who is active and his salary is above 50,000. So I retrieved it. Okay. Previously, how many records we have? Active records. We have active records 8. So we have active records 8. But active records 8 and my another condition is out of the 8 records, I want to retrieve the salaries also should be above 50,000. So here I am applying two conditions. One is the employees are all should be active. So with this satisfying condition 1, we can retrieve 8 records. Then out of the 8, again you need to check the salary is above 50,000. Then again it is filtered with 6 rows. Let's say here Smith. So Bob Smith is active and salary is above 50. And you can see here the 9th record, he is active but his salary is not above 50,000. That's why we did not retrieve it. And you can also see Henry is also active but his salary is 50,000, but we mention greater than 50,000. If you mention equal to, then we could have get it greater than or equal to that record also. So in this way we can apply the queries like conditions on the table and we can retrieve the specific records. So in the next session we'll see some more queries. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.